Hey guys, it's Jess here. So today is day 1 of Plastic Free July. Now there's 31 days in July, so I want to give you 31 ways or 31 things that we do within our own household to reduce our household waste, in particularly when it comes to single-use plastic. Now, back in October of 2017, I watched the war on waste bottles and the effect they are having on our environment. Now, there's some pretty crazy statistics about plastic water bottles. Australians are spending over $500 million every single year on plastic water bottles, on water that, if you watch the war on waste, the water that's in the bottles, a lot of the time it's not even filtered water. To make 1 litre of bottled water, it takes around 7 litres of water plus a litre of oil just to make this 1 litre of bottled water. Now that water might be used within a few minutes or half an hour, and then it's tossed away. What happens to it then? It can take up to 1,000 years to break down if it's sent to landfill. Unfortunately, around about probably 30% to 40% of plastic water bottles are what recycled at the moment. A lot of them are ending up in landfill, even worse, in our environment. Now the very first switch that we made, going zero waste or aiming for a more sustainable lifestyle, was buying reusable water bottles. We watched the war on waste in October, so for Christmas, everyone got reusable water bottles. We went for 2 smaller water bottles for our children. These are both Clean Canteen. I don't have any brand in particular to recommend. However, I just do give one advice, which is make sure it is stainless steel and something that is going to last a very long time. We bought these Christmas of 2017, so they're coming up over 18 months old now. A few little dents, but still in perfect condition. Same with my husband and I. We have these 1 litre water bottles, also Clean Canteen. He's got a black one and I've got a silver one. Also, before we even watched the war on waste, 4 years ago, I bought this bottle, which is Birds and Bees, and both of my children have used this from the time that they first started drinking water up until sort of toddler stage, until they moved over to their next water bottles. So I've never had to buy another water bottle. This is the only one I've used for both of my children over the last 3.5 years until we bought their other one. This came with 2 different lids. One was for when they were a little baby from around 6 months, and this one is when they were started to move into solids and then into toddler stage. So over 18 months to 2 years, we have significantly reduced our landfill waste purely from buying reusable water bottles. We fill our water bottles up at home with our own filtration system, and we never have to buy bottled water when we're out, never have to buy bottled water when we're camping, because we take our filtration system with us and all our reusable water bottles. So that is day 1 for Plastic Free July, and such a simple swap is to buy yourself a reusable stainless steel water bottle, so you never have to buy bottled water again. Thanks guys, I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 and for tip number 2 to reducing your single-use plastics and reducing your overall consumption of waste. See you then.